Hello, nimekuja na tangazo.
I'll bet that's not your real voice. You're just faking it.
Tired, spotted, but I'm going to swim because why not? Why not? I'm going to get into the water because I've been living in Mirama for the last 2 years, and then all of a sudden there's a swimming pool just behind my house, guys, and the sun-kissed. You heard me right, guys. Oh my God, we are outside finally. I am here with my colleagues. So, guys, we left work and directly came to this spot because why not? We were craving nyama choma and some good vibes and some water, and So, my colleagues were like, you know what? There's a spot that we have had. Let's go check it out. Yeah. And we found ourselves here at Ocean City. This place is called Ocean City. Just look how cute it is. Trust me, this is around 10. We left work at 9, at 8, and we found ourselves here. This place has the craziest swimming pool I've seen. Guys, just look, like today we're just spending time together. Today I'm just going to show you around because I came here to swim, but whatever I found here, I'm tongue tied. Like I don't know. Just una come to form. Like for us, we came directly straight from work. Usiseme oh sina swimming costumes. They have their own shop that they're selling swim costumes. So this is us just looking for good costumes that you can wear. Of course, I had carried mine because this was something that we had planned for some time. But for a friend of mine called Maureen, she didn't have any. So we were like, you know what, girl, let's look for something because lazima tuogele. For me, guys, if it involves water and food, involve me. If it has water, food, fun, involve me. Call me. I'll come. I'll show up anytime, any day. As long as kuna maji na food, I'll be there. So this spot, they have outdone themselves. This is a new spot. They have been operating for only 3 weeks. And guess what? It's just behind my house. Like literally, I've been in Mirema for the longest time. And this place nimeisha kupita nikisemanga ni garage until recently. Sasa venye niliambiwa na my teammates that like there's a swimming. And the rich vibes, the fact that they have their own kitchen, they have their own costume shop. Guys, you cannot say that, oh, it's that with a random. Even if it's a random form, you'll show up and you'll not miss to swim. You'll definitely swim because just look at this. Look at this. They have kids outfit. They have adult outfits, both two-piece, cover up, and everything. And this is me. This is us. That is Maureen and I. We decided once we landed to this place, let's first inspect the spot. Let's see the vibe because on TikTok everyone is vibing about this. Our team leader was vibing about this, so we had to inspect. And guys, look at this. You can't imagine your eyes. Just look at this. Look at this pool. How cute it looks. Always sema walai ikomirema. For those who live in Resambo, it's behind Lumumba Drive. On the Mirema, you see the Mirema Drive. Mirema Drive, First Avenue. Aki sijalipo for ad. All honesty, I'm not paid to advertise this spot, but yeah, I found a hidden gem. Mki include hidden gems, wache ikwe tu hapo ndani. It's a hidden one because guys, so look at their water. They have a 2 feet where I may believe this is a baby pool. They have a 2 feet, a 3 feet, 5 feet, and 6 feet depth on their swimming pool. And look at this. Don't I love how it looks? Don't I love how it looks? Just look at how clean their water is. Manze, this is a pool to die for because where you guys, this is their lazy river. Just look at how long their lazy river is, and it's always 3 meters. It's 3 meters at always. So guys, again, I repeat this. If it involves water, it's not that I'm a good swimmer or anything, but I love water. So if it involves water, food, involve me. If you get another swimming pool, tell me, I'll show up because this one niliambiwa and I was like, today is today. So for us, we always work at night. we showed up at this place at around 10. We left work at around 8. Hang around, nini. By 9, and that is because of the what is it called? The hours that we leave work, we usually leave, we're supposed to leave at 7, but because of daylight saving, we're leaving at 8. So daylight saving imetuonesha like mkimaliza 8, you guys tokeeni swimo. So we were super tired. Let me not lie, we were tired because we had a 9 hours straight shift. And after that, we were like, you know what, let's just go relax, let's just go vibe, have fun, sit, eat, ibonge letu environment. Mtu yangu nikikwambia kitu iko Mirema tu wezi amini, yani aikai ni kama kitu iko Roysambu, aikai like yeah. But imagine it's in Roysambu. So we just came to inspect, and then we were like, you know what, we need to get into this water. And the fact that they're lifeguard, we had a conversation with this guy. The lifeguard at that place is awesome. Their customer service, guys, like unatritiwa mpaka una feel like hey. Alafu see, you see the way the pool is empty. We were the first people to get here. This guy was awesome. He was vibe and vibe and vibe, and he's the lifeguard here at this place. He's doing amazing job. You know, namwona tu hapo na gia zake, guys. So for today, you're spending a day with me here. I'll not be showing you anything else apart this from this swimming pool. So get ready. Tunaangalia hii swimo, tunaangalia hii maji mpaka mkam kuswim. Usiwahi sema sijai kuplug. Okay? Mtu asiwahi sema sijai plug, because guys, can you see can you see? Just angalia tu venye majao ni safi. Angalia tu. So this is just us having motion with this guy, trying to figure out how long has this thing been here, because I was feeling so bad kusikia ati imekuwa Mirema for the longest, alafu na realize. So I was like, kwa nini nimekuwa nikifanya? Nimekuwa nikitembea wapi? Aki na mi wenda walk on this specific road. Kwa gate yao mimi wenda walk hapo, evening walk ama so sijawahi ona. So this guy was the one who was telling us you know we have been operating for the last 3 weeks. These floaters, Nicki Minaj vibe. These floaters, we ziko tu mahali tu, unaweza chukua anytime. Usiseme ujui kuswim, unaweza kaa mtu hapa ubangaize. Kama wewe ni badi, unaweza kaa mkalia floater zako, just Nicki Minaj style, kalia floater and have fun. Yeah. So we decided, after we have inspected the pool, we decided it's time for us to go ahead and do change. Frances, you'll be appearing on my YouTube channel. Say hi.
You have a channel?
Say hi.
I subscribe to Lakers Touch.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, what's your channel?
My channel, Likia's Touch.
Oh, subscribe.
Thank you. So here we've just been shown on where we're going to do our change, where the changing rooms are. And guess what? Do you see on my right, those are washrooms. On my left, the changing room. Hey, and before that, I saw the art on the wall. Guy, muleni beba. Like for me, whenever I see art or whenever I see art, I'm like, God. So this vibe, having these wild animals on the wall, and this Mozarata, whatever flower it is, plant is, guys, just look at this. Look at this. It gives you a vibe that you are in the jungle, but still you're having it's like you're having a picnic in the jungle, or you're in the middle of the ocean but surrounded by the jungle. And then these guys were like, you know what? Before 20 kwa hii maji, let's try this other pool. So I was like, let me follow these guys. Maybe ndio huyo na akala zangu, but they kama joda akala. Remember, I do sell akala. Get a hold of me. So guys, look at this place. This place is it's a pool space. The pool space is this normal pool table, so it's somewhere higher, iko mahali tu juu. Place yenye uko unaweza ona pool uko chini. And guys, this is vibe. So you can do all activities here. Like you have the pool, the normal water pool, and you have the pool table for you to jibamba. Kama unapenda pool table, check it tu, wamekusort. Check it tu. Just look at this spot. It looks so nice. And guys, on this specific spot, they told us that you can host your bash. You see this small space that they have kando? angalia tu jangu, angalia tu venye nature, angalia tu nature, angalia tu place yenye iko. God, I don't have words for this. I don't have words for this. But you see this specific space, they told us if you have a party like your birthday, your baby shower, and you want to get your people into the pool and still have them together, eat meat, you can book this space. They can give you that space. But ono ukiwa hapo juu venye unaona ile swimo pale chini. So wewe kama unataka baby shower, unakuja unaweka bashi yako hapo, unaachilia wasee wanaenda wanaswim huko kwa maji, wanataka kucheza pool table wanacheza. Guys, for us, we're just having fun. Like for me, guys, I loved how clean this space is. I loved these like this grass or whatever, what is it called, carpet. Yo, guys, nilikuwa na feel ni kama niko home, and I was like, mbona nimemisi kitu for all this time. These bulbs, the reason as to why I took this bulb is specifically to get them for my balcony, because I manifest a big balcony very soon. I manifest I'll have this. I just love the aesthetic of this place. I just love how cute it looked. I just like, guys. Anyway, time to go to the changing room because I need that water vibaya sana. So these are their changing rooms. Super, super clean. Look at this partition. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Hot water shower. Hey, guys. Now you can hang your, look at this. Look at this guy. Like sijui ni nyamaze tu mjione, cause I don't know. I don't know. This is the best space I've been into for a while now. Yeah. I love the fact that their tiles are super, super clean. Their mirror, imagine. Ndio hiyo kioo. Alafu tafadhali. Oneni, check it them. I love how cute these mirrors are. And I know mlikuwa mnauliza kwa nini, najua mnauliza kwa nini video yangu ina shake. Yes, I was recording with my phone with no tripod because I wasn't ready to do any content. I was just going to swim, and then I realized, let me just plug my people. Ndio mtu asiwaisema sija plug. Angalieni tu place veni safi. Angalieni. Nani mpya, it's still under construction. So they still have a lot of things that they're doing. But yo, guys, water, fun, food. Those are the three things. Food, fun, water. Just holla at me. Okay, uko na plan, holla at me. So we decided, let us get changed so that we can get into this water. That is the entry. And we're like, wacha tuvae hii selfie, tungeshinda tu kwa hii kioo all this time na hatungemaliza kuvaa. So we decided, let us wear and then we go to the pool. Let us change. We changed. There we go. If you know me, I'm 99% legs. Like that is how long my legs are. Yeah. So I decided it's time to change and get into the water. Forgive me for shaking the camera because where hey. But anyway, once ready, I wanted to get into the water so bad. So bad. So nilikuwa zile za but anyway, I cannot stop admiring myself because just see what God created. Just see God's creation. See God's creation. And then Maureen was there to join me. Maureen joined, and yeah, check your name. Check your name. Check your name. That's Maureen. Yay. Hi Mo. Yeah. So once you're done, this lady went to the 7 feet spot because I love swimming. Tukaswim and then tukarelax. Najua mlikuwa mnangoja kuona video nikiswim. I'm a swimmer. Si ati nilianguka. Niliswim nikakosa footage ya kuswim, but this is me after swimming. Relax because why not? That pool was amazing. The water, guys, the water was amazing. And then we had to chill. We had to relax. They have the place where you can be able to lie, and they also have the green grass on the other side, the carpet, so that you can be able to just chill and relax. They have those two umbrellas, so juu ikikuwa kali, yani unajua hiyo beach vibe. It was there. It was giving, just look at that, it was giving beach vibe. Just look at that. Tell me hauna form na nisha kuplug. Tell me hauna form. If you have another spot that you want me to try, tell me, I'll go there. So this was my teammates. We just relaxed. Na tulikula, my friend. Hiyo oda tulimake time tulifika, chakula tulikula, ugali tulifinya, tulimenya ugali, my friends. That's what I'm saying. Water, food, fun, involve me. Involve me, guys. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. Kama unataka videos za mimi nikiswim, holla at me. Call me, invite me out. I'll come. I'll come. I'll come. Anyway, that's it, guys. If you want to see this, it's Ocean City Water Park in Miramar. I enjoyed myself. So till next time, bye bye, guys. Thank you for spending the day with me.